Hi everyone, today I'm baking banana nut bread, and I have my assistant here, Analisa, my daughter, and she is interested in baking, so I've been taking her under my wing and teaching her different things so she could learn. So some of the ingredients you're gonna need, I'm gonna give you the measurements in the actual post, so just make the video, try to make it a little bit quicker. So you're gonna need, I'm making double batch, so I will list a single batch, okay? You're gonna need 1 egg, a teaspoon of baking soda. You'll need 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/8 cup of sugar. You'll need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll need a 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of walnuts, and you'll need about maybe if you're doing one batch, I would say a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. So let me go ahead and start this video. And we'll need a little bit of salt too. That's the only thing I forgot to put up here. But let me go ahead and show you the ingredients. So here are the ingredients. You can see them here. Just go ahead and spin it around. You have the oil. You have your baking soda, vanilla, and all that good stuff. Okay? Chocolate chips, walnuts already chopped. Oh, you also need milk, 2 tablespoons of milk. And that's in here as well. And let me go ahead and get some salt, because it's the only thing I forgot to bring with me. Okay. With the salt. All right, so Analisa's gonna go ahead. Oh, you need your bananas. You need 3 very ripe bananas. So stop throwing away those very ripe bananas in the trash because they're brown on the outside. You're wasting food. People don't have food, so please don't throw them out. Make banana bread. If you don't want to eat it, give it to your neighbors, give it to a family member. It's fun taking the time, especially on a gloomy day like today we're baking. So Analisa's gonna go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. I have the flour already in the mixer, which is 2 cups of flour. And again, I'm doing double batch, so I use the KitchenAid mixer. It's my friend. I happen to really, really like the KitchenAid mixer. So Analisa's gonna go ahead and turn it on low speed just to mix the dry ingredients. And I'm gonna put the salt in there. I like to mix everything dry together first, so it blends well. So next we're gonna put in the baking soda. Then we're gonna put in the sugar. That's good. This is actually baking with Analisa today. She does a good job. She knows how to do it slowly. Make sure she gets everything in there. Okay. So she already knows. She takes what she used and puts it to the side, and that's how you want to bake. The next thing we're gonna put in is the oil. It's a cup of oil here. Yeah, Lisa. You can stop the machine so it doesn't spill all over. Okay. If you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, I would suggest you get one because it's the best thing. Analisa also knows that you put in 1 egg at a time. We have 2 eggs here. You can make a double batch, so she's going to drop 1 in at a time. Okay, drop it in. Okay, drop it in. There you go. You want to make sure, anytime you put eggs into when you're baking, make sure they're room temperature, and you want to put them in 1 at a time until they incorporate. She's going to head and put the next one in. And she's going to put in her vanilla. And next she's gonna put in her milk. And then next she's gonna put her bananas in, but she's gonna turn off the machine first to put the bananas in. And we're gonna drop down the bowl. Drop down the bowl here. Remember, there you go. And you can drop in your bananas. I'll get you a spoon. So if you really like this recipe, give the likes there for Analisa, because she's working extra hard here. She's the only one that comes and assists me in the kitchen. Everybody else runs away. Okay, she's gonna turn that back on. She's gonna pull it up, pull the bowl up. Good girl. Turn it on. And we're gonna get that to mix really well. This is not really a wet, very wet recipe, but you want to get that mixed really well. And you can probably bring it up an extra notch on the speed. Very nice. Bring it up again. And this is where we're going to pause it now. Pause the machine, and she's gonna scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure everything's incorporated correctly. You know, a little spatula here. Bring it down. Go ahead and scrape everything down. I figured this way it would cut down some of the video, so it's not as long and we don't have to pause as much. Got it all down? You could just lay that into one of those bowls. And on the paddle here, you want to take down whatever's in the middle there on the bottom. Yeah, just put your spatula through it. There you go, right there. Perfect. Just scrape it, right, okay. I'll pick this back up. Give it one more little spin here. Again, KitchenAid, love it. I wouldn't really be baking if I didn't have it, because it really is an essential help. You could be doing other things, measuring other ingredients while you're getting this done. All right, we're gonna turn this off, and she's gonna add in the walnuts and the chocolate chips, and then we're gonna do a slight turning, nothing really heavy, because we don't wanna break down the consistency of the walnuts any further. Okay. Let's give that a little spin first. Just want to incorporate, you're not beating this. And then she's going to put in the chocolate chips. Very good. We're going to turn this on again. I don't know what's happening here with the mixer all of a sudden. There we go. And again, just combining this stuff. We don't want to break it down. We're going to shut this off now. And we're going to start to put these in our tins. So we have double batch, so we have 4 pans here. And I'm actually going to assist her with this part because it's a little heavy. We already sprayed and dusted the pans so that we didn't waste any time. So make sure you do that. We're using 4 square ones. I sometimes make this in a bundt cake. But this is one of her favorite things that I make. So therefore, I make sure that I have all the ingredients at home so when she wants it. And then you could also freeze this so when you have company, or let's say you're invited somewhere and you need to bring something last minute and you didn't prepare anything, this is always a good staple food to have on hand. We have a lot of fun baking together, we laugh. This is spending really quality time with your kids too. And it's an easy dessert that you can make with them. Okay, so we're actually gonna get this plated into, just give me a chance to rinse my hands here. So we're going to divide this into 4 pans rather. And let's see if I have another spatula here that I could assist her with. You could use this, Analisa. So, because the bowl will be heavy for her, she's going to take it like this and divide it into the 4 pots.
Do I want to put it all the way up?
No, like you don't want to put halfway. Don't have to smear it like that, just because you're gonna. If you spread like that too much, you might move the grease that's on the bottom, the oil, the spray. So, yeah, just pop it there and we'll shake it. We'll shake it. Start dividing. Want me to help you? Make it a little faster?
No.
Okay, so scoop and drop. Just drop it, plop it in. Let's go. Your next one. Okay. Get your next one, and then we'll even this out because we have one a little bit more than the other. Try to scoop big. There we go. And move the spoon quickly so it doesn't fall. And I still have more bananas. And this video we're gonna dedicate to my godson. His name is Alex. He said to me yesterday, banana bread that you make is my favorite. So I said, okay, I will make you banana bread. And so that's why we're doing this today too. Let me help you now because I could turn it for you. Oh, she's doing real well. I don't think she needs my assistance. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here because she's gonna finish plating. We're gonna put them in the oven, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. You could ice these too if you want, put an icing on it. Maybe we'll do that, the 2 of them. And we'll be back when they're done baking. Hi guys, we're back with the finished product that Analisa made today with me. Let me go ahead and show it to you and then we'll cut it open. This is the banana nut bread right out of the oven. So this banana nut bread, just so you know, when you make it, the batter isn't really a lot. So you probably get maybe like 2 loaves. But I wanted to make 4, so I like tripled I wind up tripling the recipe. So, take a look. That's all the chocolate chips. Look how beautiful. You see the walnuts in here, the chocolate chips nice and melted. I'll lift the other piece. I have to cut this one because my daughter can't wait any longer. There's the rest of it right there. You can see the bananas in it and everything. Okay, well, we thank you for joining us again. We enjoyed baking with you. And till the next bake, have a great time. Bye.